Affiliate marketing organization for passive earnings. Start your own organization with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple and effective way to make passive income. You can even have numerous streams of earnings, and having monetary flexibility is no longer just a dream. All you require to have is simply a website or a blog site, and you can be in the business of affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business plan between a trade merchant and a website owner. The site owner, that is you, allows the use of your blog or site for the promo of the merchant's items by connecting to the merchant's website. That's all you need to do besides, of course, promoting your site. The merchant pays a commission to the affiliate on all sales generated by the affiliate's recommendation. The affiliate marketing program is a win-win situation for the merchant, the affiliate, and the consumers because all celebrations win. Why do merchants wish to have affiliates and pay off substantial commissions to you? Well, this is due to the fact that there are significant advantages for the merchant. Otherwise, the merchant will have no reward for doing so, right? Affiliate marketing program provides the merchant a larger market to market their product and services. Affiliate marketing will offer the product and services more direct exposure than it might get with other traditional marketing. On top of that, the merchant can conserve money advertising because they are already doing so on affiliate websites. To put it simply, affiliates like you currently bring the merchant's advertisement to your websites. The more affiliates a merchant has, the more individuals will see the merchant's ads, which can then be transformed into sales. Some individuals equate affiliate marketing as having an army of sales representatives who will do the marketing and will only get a commission if a consumer purchases. You, as an affiliate of the merchant, likewise enjoy many advantages. The affiliate can generate income simply by having an advertisement or link to the merchant's site, which potential clients will hopefully click it and buy. As soon as the customer clicks on the advertisement or link on the affiliate's site, he is immediately carried to the merchant's site. When more referrals make purchases, then you will make more commissions. If you have several websites, then you will have multiple streams of passive income. Affiliate marketing is an excellent method to earn money from the comfort of your house. It is your individual home business and there are essentially no production expense and investment threats. The item is currently developed and equipped by the merchant, so all you need to do is to just get as numerous visitors as possible to your site to click on the merchant's advertisements and make purchases. Most importantly, most affiliate marketing programs are free to join, so affiliates are not required to have any launch financial investment costs. There are countless products and services that you can choose to market. So if you want to begin your own business with no financial dangers, if you wish to earn money through numerous sources of passive earnings, attempt affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a commercial plan between a trade merchant and a site owner. The merchant pays a commission to the affiliate on all sales produced by the affiliate's recommendation. An affiliate marketing program is a win-win circumstance for the merchant, the affiliate, and the clients because all celebrations win. Affiliate marketing program gives the merchant a wider market to advertise their services or products. The affiliate can make money simply by having an advertisement or link to the merchant's website, which potential clients will hopefully click on and make a purchase. Thank you for looking at my video. Ian Jackson.